Hello and welcome to Down for Glam. It's me, Gigi. Thank you so much for coming by today. So what we're doing is a simple set. Did not take very long. That is my speaker talking to me. Sorry about that. I think he sounds a little like George Takei. If you don't know who that is, Star Trek, the original series. So, what we're doing, that totally distracted me. I'm sorry, guys. What we're doing is just painting all of these nails black except that middle one, which is a pretty lavender color. All of these come from modelones. The middle, that lavender one, though, is the solid cream gels because you know your girl loves those. And that's the closest match I had to the Born Pretty stamping polish that we're going to be using in a little bit. And at the end, I think you're going to see that they do actually match pretty well. It's not perfect, but I think you really have to look hard to see the differences, especially since we're using it in a layering technique. So it all comes together to look very plaid, very fall, and very cool weather. So, and honestly, kind of gives me Scottish vibes, and I do love a lot of things that you find in Scotland. So there you go. I do enjoy that, especially listening to the speech of very, very, very Scottish people who are just really broguing it up. When the internet was still young, I used to love to go into Scottish chat rooms and just listen to the Scottish guys argue with the English guys. So amazing. So on the black nails, two of the black nails, we are putting some silver stripes straight down the centers, leaving a little space in there. Now, while those are curing, what we're gonna do is add a non-white top coat to this pinky nail, and then we're gonna sugar it. We're just gonna sugar it with this beautiful black glitter, because this black glitter has a bit of a purple quality to it. There is definitely some form of purple in here. I really had wanted jet black, but it's not. It's jet black with purple in it. So it really does limit how much you can use it, but this set it was perfect for. Now what we're gonna do is just do some stamping. And as you can tell, this is probably like my third try. So I'm going to go ahead and press down. These are the stamping polishes from Born Pretty that we have done the swatching on, and I will link a video up here for you for that. Now we're going to lay that down so that middle row goes straight through the middle of the silver. Ba, 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 ba. So that's our second layer. First layer was the silver stripes. Second layer is this gorgeous purple plaid. Laying it down. That one was a little wavy, but I'm forgiving myself for it. While that one's curing, while those two are curing rather, we're going to come in and do this little filigree hearts piece, design, and we're just going to lay it right there on the thumbnail, making it super, super pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh. Now for our third layer on these nails, we are going to do horizontal lines of that same silver. And I just think this really gives it a super tweedy almost look, like a tweed jacket kind of thing, or honestly, icy pants. When I see this, it looks like fabric for pants to me, or maybe a pretty skirt. Even a dress, honestly. Couldn't you just see almost anything made out of this? It's so beautiful. So I do want to apologize right now and let you know there's no top coating footage. I'm really sorry. I think I just forgot to press record, and that's my mistake and my bad. But I know you love me and you're going to forgive me because you're just that kind of bestie. So thank you. Mwah. So we're just finishing up these stripes, and then on that lavender nail, we're going to also add a few of these stripes as well, just to round the whole look out. I felt like the lavender nail was nice, but it just needed its own little flair. And I just thought a really simple, understated set of lines would be perfect, you know? Perfect. Like this is the sweater you wear with the pants, right? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. If you've been here a few times, you know you want to click that button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video everywhere. We will see you on Friday. Mwah! Bye-bye.